through a lot. He can teach you something.
Wow. We matched. Ooh. Ooh, it smells good. I got this one, which is blueberry and pineapple, and I think mango.
And then I
have to lean in more.
I got the pineapple and spinach and ginger smoothie. I think. I'm just excited to be here in the video.
I give it an 8.5. I really like it. It could use some more pepper though.
I will say it's an 8. It's a solid 8.
Okay. That's good.
It tastes good. It's seasoned well.
Yeah.
It's just not as Rasta as it could be.
Yeah, it's not that spicy.
He's a little whitewashed.
We had to come inside. It was way too windy. It was way too. Look at my bun. My bun was on top of my head before we started.
More than just the setting of Jesus' story. It's a living testament to his journey, walking through.
I see the bread, I want all of it, and I want the green, so I
My legs hurt.
I know, I'm strong, so there's that.
She's lying, y'all. Don't let her lie to y'all.
I was in the front the whole time.
No, I was in the front, honey.
I was right behind you.
I was in the front. I was in the front twice now.
I was right behind
Then I was
her.
in the back.
I was right
for the
behind
rest of
her.
it.
So
Because I'm a humble. I was only in the back because I'm humble.
She's not even humble. Look at this bright pink. Really, I was super humble.
Hills beat us up.
Not me.
This girl literally was like, I was like, can we please skip? She said, yes, I was waiting for you to say that. I'm sorry, she acted for the camera. I promise she almost normal. She almost passes as normal.
Oh my God. All right. All right, taking it nice now.
I guess they should. That's what I'm saying.
Turn up, bust the high knees, your arm, your knees up, so like here, back out. There you go.
Oh, dang.
You did this last time too.
I know, right? Let me use my big head to cover the sun. Can't beat the allegations. It is day 3 of going to this godforsaken. It is literally Monday. We did a step at a time. Then we went to, what's that thing called? Straight like that? Straight training.
Straight training.
That was ghetto the way they spelled it. They spelled it with an 8. And then, and then now we're back at Hills.
Yay.
I can't move. I'm holding up my arm with my other arm.
Literally.
It's
and
so
I'm moving
painful.
my feet with my hands again.
Facts. You saw her just yesterday. No, just Monday. Now it's Wednesday. Doing the same thing. And there's a tent. So I guess people are staying here overnight.
There.
Listen, it's a big old tent too.
We can just sleep in there while they work out.
Facts. She got me right.
Got you right.
She got me right, y'all. Oh.
Leave me alone.
Oh. Cute. What a gift.
Took me a little while.